Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're prepping this stamped concrete driveway here. You can see right here, she's got somebody tried putting down some sealer. She actually had people come out and do a bunch of test spots. Wanted me to do the same, and so sorry, we don't work that way. So she wants me to try to strip this. Nobody knows what it is. Looks like some sort of that red concrete dye. So I'm gonna try a few things on it, see if I can't make it look a little bit better. Other than that, this driveway is definitely overdue for some sealer. This ain't got none on it. I could see bare concrete if you look. Not a good sign. That's why it's starting to pop out in those areas. Overall, I think it'll look pretty good once we get it sealed. Customer said that it looks really good when it's wet, so at least we know she'll be happy with the sealer we use. One of her concerns over here was where somebody had sealed it and let it drip down the sides here. I'll see what I could do about getting that off. Some of it might be actually weather faded, you know, it's hard to say, but by the time I put a coat of sealer on it tomorrow, it should look a lot better. Sometimes all you could do is all you could do. Either way, this is gonna look really good, guys. I'll get this thing started. We'll go over it. She wants me to go over it with the surface cleaner. It's not even really that dirty, but we'll do what she wants. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna look really good. Alright guys, that one went really good as far as the prep goes. As you can see, once it dried up, we got rid of that stain that was over in here. There was a little bit down there too. And I can't believe how dry this is. This has absolutely no sealer on it. Get that sealer off over here. This is really going to suck up the sealer. I brought 10 gallons. It should be plenty. I'm going to put it down heavy. So first I'll get started over here. I'll do the sides of the steps that are exposed here. She seemed to be pretty concerned about that. Wasn't able to do nothing for the stripes she had coming down. The drips on this side, unfortunately, I think that's actually concrete dye and not sealer. As you can see when you get up on it, it's a different color. So hopefully at least it looked a little bit better when it was wet here. So it'll look better here once I get some sealer on it. But I'll set up. We'll get started over here on the sides of the steps. Then I'll jump up here and hit the faces of the steps by hand, and then we'll roll it all out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this one went really good. Got it all sealed up. Went through quite a bit. It really sucked it up, but as you can see, a million times better. Up here, she was worried about, it looks a lot better as well. Other than that, everything went really good. Need any kind of stamped concrete sealing, traditional concrete sealing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, pressure washing, any of the services we offer, book us online at windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Nice clean job. windycitysteam.com.